Here is the script. Introduction. Hi there, and welcome to this video on making $1,000 per month in passive income. You'll learn how to create a reliable income stream that generates money without requiring your direct involvement. This might interest you if you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, or achieve financial independence. What is passive income? Passive income is earnings from investments or activities that don't require your direct time and effort. Think of it like renting out a property. Once you set it up, the income comes in without you needing to be present. Common examples of passive income include dividend-paying stocks, peer-to-peer lending, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, creating and selling an online course, building a website or blog. One way to generate passive income is by creating a website or blog that attracts and engages an audience. You can monetize your content with advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Choose a niche or topic you're interested in. 2. Register a domain name and set up web hosting. 3. Design and build your website using a user-friendly platform like WordPress. 4. Create high-quality, engaging content on a regular basis. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. Another option is investing in established companies that pay dividends to shareholders. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a relatively stable source of income. Here's how to get started. 1. Open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. 2. Research and select a few dividend-paying stocks with a history of consistent payouts. 3. Invest a fixed amount of money in these stocks on a regular basis. Creating digital products. You can also create digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software, and sell them online. Once created, these products can generate income with minimal additional effort. Here's a general outline. 1. Identify a need or problem in your target market. 2. Create a high-quality digital product that solves the problem. 3. Set up an online sales platform, such as Gumroad or Selfie. 4. Market and promote your product to potential customers. Starting a peer-to-peer lending account. Another option is investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms, which allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. These platforms typically offer fixed returns, ranging from 5-7% per annum. Here's how to get started. 1. Research and select a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform. 2. Open an account and invest a fixed amount of money. 3. Review and manage your investments on a regular basis. Conclusion. That's a basic overview of making $1,000 per month in passive income. Remember, these ideas require effort and patience to set up, but they can potentially generate significant returns over time. Keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk, and it's essential to do your research and consider your financial goals before getting started. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos.